Hey everyone, WeatherBug meteorologist Miranda Hilgers back with your extreme and severe weather outlook. We are talking about severe weather, even though we've got snow in the forecast as well. And despite that frigid air, we could still touch off some heavy rain, thunderstorm activity, maybe even a tornado or two as another storm system is sweeping the nation. It's all thanks to some support from the jet stream. That's our good friend in the highest reaches of the atmosphere. That strong river of winds aloft will be shifting across the southeast, and as it taps into the Gulf moisture, we are looking at a severe weather potential. Now, the jet stream will help to intensify the storm system that's coming through. It'll also help to bring up some of those snow totals as well, talking about some hefty amounts of snowfall in the coming days for the midsection of the nation. All of this will put into motion for you here on the forecast. So we've got the areas of snow and the areas of wet weather, and all of this is moving off to the east, and this is where we potentially could see some of the strong to severe thunderstorm activity. It's that Dixie Alley setup where you tap into the Gulf moisture and it brings up just enough warmth that we could trigger some very strong thunderstorm activity here. Meanwhile, to the northern flank of the storm system, we're running into some very cold air, and that means heavy snowfall will be accumulating from the Ohio Valley and even into the eastern Great Lakes. Now, our severe weather threat specifically centers on New Orleans, places from extreme southeastern Texas all the way over toward Mobile and the western side of Florida. For today, that's the threat. For tomorrow, it moves off toward North Florida and southern Georgia. And really here we're looking at the potential for gusty wind, large hail, and maybe even a tornado or two. To the north further, we've got a host of winter weather advisories and a handful of winter storm warnings where we expect anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of snowfall to accumulate in a swath from the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma all the way back up to the eastern Great Lakes. And we see those totals begin to intensify in those classic lake effect snow regions. So be ready and have your shovels handy if you're in any of those areas. Here's your forecast today.